what came up for me is Colonel Sanders. And someone just brought up this story for me. He said Colonel Sanders said had 4 words: "We do chicken right." Right? It wasn't "we do hamburgers, we do steaks, we do sushi." It was "we do chicken right." And Colonel Sanders went really deep and had
Mm.
some success, we might say. And so it's the same for a business owner over the next 12 months. What's your version of that? If we try and do everything, we're not going to do it very well. We're going to be scattered. Now we'll have dopamine and we'll have adrenaline and we'll have stress and we'll feel very busy. But I don't think that's where the real gold is. That's not where the real cheese is. The real cheese is we do chicken right. So over the next year, what's the chicken for you? And then over the next week, what's chicken for you? If you're going to do one thing right this next 7 days, what is it? And then we can bring it right back till tomorrow. What are you going to do tomorrow? Are you going to try and do chicken and hamburgers and steak and sushi? Or are you going to do chicken right? And then same for the next 25 minutes. We bring it right back down. We're doing a sprint. I got a sprint book for 2 hours. Everything's turned off. I'm going to dive right in. What are you going to do? Hamburgers, sushi, noodles, or are you going to pick one thing and do it well?